How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the grill inserts on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, prior to starting the job, as you can see, the grill inserts are different shapes and sizes. So the one in the centre, that is unique. There's no other grill insert like that. So that's a kind of rectangle shape. Now, if you look at the ones on the left hand side of the vehicle here, my right if I'm looking at it, you can see quite clearly that there's more of an angle here, and then that angle gets stronger, more deep the further you go to the end of the car, and then it's the same at the other side. So first and foremost, you just make sure you've got everything all lined up, because the last thing you want to do is start to try and force one of the inserts into the wrong hole here and then risk damaging anything. And here you can see that there is retainer clips all around the grille ring and 2 location clips. So as you can see, it's relatively straightforward. So we'll make a start now. So what we need to do is we need to pull them out at the bottom first, followed by the top. And then when we're replacing them, we put the top in first, followed by the bottom. And I forgot to mention, we will be using a trim removal tool to carry out this procedure. Once the bottom's out, we just need to pull at the left and the right hand side at the top. This is just to free off the clips. And then downwards and out. And then to replace, we'll go into the top first. Now there's some little slots in here. We just make sure that these tabs slot into the slot holes. So we put the top in first. Like so. And then that's it done. There you go. All you need to do now is just do the same with all the rest of them. They've got little tabs that go all around, and all we need to do is just try and prise them out of their location. So I always try and take the bottom out first, and then the top comes out. It's a lot easier that way. So what you want to do is you want to try and prise this in and pull out with your other hand. And don't worry about that noise, it's completely normal. So you're pulling down and out. Now, as you can see, there's a little location tab here, a little location tab here, and a location tab there. So you want to try and get them into the slots, which is here and here. Get them lined up. There you go. Job done. And that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.